And this Happy Mail, it's just a sweet little card. Comes from Denise. She's not on, well, she is on YouTube. She does have a channel. She has just a few videos. But she's mainly on Instagram. And she's, God, Denise, if I get this wrong, I'm sorry. I'll correct it either way in the description box. I think it's Photos by Jersey Girl. Anyway, she made me this beautiful card, and she put in this, you know, she's a glorious photographer, and she draws and paints beautifully. But that's her kitties, butter and bread. I think that's butter, and I think that's bread. Nope, that's bread and that's butter. Or did I say that right the first time? I don't know. I thought that was bread, but maybe that's got to be butter. Anyway, I can't tell them apart. I don't know how to tell them apart. I don't know how she does it, honestly. But, you know, when you live with them, it's totally different. But they are so stinking cute. And this is just 2 of her 4 kitties that she has. So they're just so darling. But she thought of me, and she sent this little package, holographic pink, which is kind of the standing joke around here now that my nails are pink. Y'all need to stop. But she sent me sloth stickers that are pink. Are you guys seeing that? They're sloths, and a lot of them are pink. I don't know where she found them. Probably Hobby Lobby, because I don't have one, and it's irritating. But I'm crossing my fingers. We are getting a Harbor Freight, and they're talking about putting a Hobby Lobby in the same building. I'm so hoping. But anyway, thank you, Denise. Gosh. Thank you so much. Oh, I left some in there. I'm sorry. These are so cute. I am going to be putting these on some packages, that's for sure. So, and some Happy Mail. So, I will get you back, girl. I will get you back. But once again, thank you so much, Denise. And I just don't, I mean, thanks just never seems like enough, you guys. But from the bottom of my heart, thank you. And I will catch you guys soon. Make a happy memory.